There's a command Claude Code's own creator says he runs every single day. Quote, commit, push, open a PR, all in one shot. And until this week, it had a gap wide enough to force push or rewrite a commit without ever asking you first. Here's the actual command, straight from the official repo. Its allowed tools line ends in a wildcard. Quote, bash git push : star, end quote. That star means any flag after git push, any flag at all. The command's own instructions tell Claude to do everything in one message. No questions, no other text. Combine those two things and a plain git push and a git push -- force both matched the same rule. Same for commit versus commit -- amend, which rewrites history instead of adding to it. This week's changelog, quote, /commit push PR no longer auto-approves dangerous git flags like -- force and -- amend, end quote. Those two flags now need your explicit yes, even inside a command that used to run with 0 prompts. If you've got your own / commands with a wildcard allowed tools line, this is worth 5 minutes today. Open the file. Check with the star after your command actually matches. A wildcard that looked safe last month might not be once you actually read what it allows.